Now we will solve the problems by using shortcut method also. We will solve by using direct method also and shortcut method also. Both the methods you will get the same answer. Okay. Right now, heading. Calculate the value of mean. Calculate the value of mean. And write here two columns as first column income, second column persons. Income and persons. Okay. Income column 0 to 50, persons 90, 50 to 100, persons 150, 100 to 150, persons 100, 150 to 200, persons 80, 200 to 250, 70, 250 to 300, 10. This much information is given to you. Now first line, you just write there. You have written calculate arithmetic mean, right? By using, there you mentioned, by using direct and shortcut method. Okay. There you continue. By using direct and shortcut method. Now all of you know the direct method, right? We will solve by using direct method, then we will go for shortcut method. Now direct method formula is, I will write over here. Direct method formula is x bar is equal to summation fx divided by capital N. Correct? Now as per this formula, capital N is nothing but total of frequency. Make the total of frequency. It is 500. Total is 500. Okay. Now this is exclusive or inclusive. Again it is exclusive method because upper limit is repeated once again as lower limit. So it is called as exclusive. Means it is a simple problem. So directly I can go for x column. X is nothing but mid value between the class interval. Now what is the mid value of 0 to 50? The mid value of 0 to 50 is 25. That is 0 plus 50 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Now every time don't calculate the mid value. Now see the difference. There is a perfect difference of how much? 50. Correct? So keep the difference of 50 in this x column also. So 25 plus 50 is 75. 75 plus 50 is 125. 125 plus 50 is 175. 175 plus 50 is 225, and 225 plus 70 is 225 plus 50 is 270. These are your x values. Correct? Now we will go for fx. Calculate fx and tell me. I have solution. I'll write here value. 2250, 11,250, 12,500, 14,000, 15,750, and last one is 2,700. These are your fx values. These are your fx values. Make the total. This is your summation. I think total is 58,500. Total is 58,500. Correct? Apply the formula and find out the answer. Summation fx is 58,500 divided by n value is 500. Therefore your x bar value is because your first column is income, and income is denoted in terms of rupees only. Correct? So it is x bar is equal to rupees 170. Now this is the direct method, right? Same problem we will solve by using shortcut method also. Same problem we will solve by using shortcut method also. I will write it. Shortcut method. Okay. Here keep some space. We have to prepare the problems. Okay. The formula of shortcut method is x bar is equal to a plus summation ft divided by capital N into a plus summation ft divided by n into c. This is the formula of x bar. That is mean by using shortcut method. Now, as per this formula, you know the n value. N is how much? 500. What do you mean by c? C is nothing but difference in class interval. C is nothing but difference in class interval. That also you know. What is the difference in class interval? 50. Right? Means these two values are known to you. That is n value and c value. Already frequencies are given to you. But we don't know this d value and a value. Okay. Now to calculate d value, first of all we have to start with d value. D is equal to, here you write, x minus a upon c. Just mention this, I will tell you the shortcut method. D is equal to x minus a upon c. Now, what do you mean by a? A is nothing but assumed mean or assumed value. From where we have to assume this? From the x column. From the x column, you have to assume any one value. Any one value. You can assume first value, last value, middle value, anything, no problem. As per your wish. But for calculation purpose, better to go for middle value. So I will take 175 as my a value. 175 as my a value. I will tell you the shortcut method. Without applying this formula, how to calculate the d value? Whatever may be your a value, for that always d value is 0. Always d value is 0. Then upper part is negative, like -1, -2, -3. Lower part is positive, like +1, +2. Values don't change, it will remain same. See here, I will solve and I will tell you. X minus a, what is your first x value? 25. Minus what is the a value we have assumed? 175. Divided by c is nothing but difference in class interval, that is 50. Right? Solve this, you will get -3 or no. 25 minus 175 is -150 divided by 50, you will get answer as -0. Whatever may be the case, don't change the value. Okay, whatever may be the a value you are assuming, for that always d value is 0. Upper part is negative, like -1, -2, -3, -4, whatever may be. Lower part of this 0 is positive, that is +1, +2, +3, whatever. Okay, this is the shortcut method. Clear this? Okay. Now once you know this d column, now we have to calculate FD. Now we have to calculate FD. FD is nothing but frequency values multiplied by d values. Frequency values multiplied by d value. Here sign is important. Sign is most important. Now see, 90 into -3. 90 is plus and this is minus. Plus minus becomes minus. 90 into 3 is 270. Correct? 150 into -2. Again minus 300. Right? 100 into -1. Minus 100. 80 into 0 is 0. 70 into 1. Both are plus, means value will be plus. 10 into 2, 20. This is your summation FD. Now how to find out summation FD? there are negative values and there are positive values. Make the separate totals of this. Make the separate total. Now separate total is 0, 7. It is minus 670 and plus value is 9. Right? This is minus 670 and this is 9. What is the difference in these two values? Check out what is the difference. 670 minus 90. 580. Correct? Plus or minus? Minus. Why it is minus? Because always we have to give greater value sign. Always greater value sign. Here greater value is negative, so sign must be negative. If plus value is more, use the plus. Minus 670 and 90, the difference is 580. Always greater values sign. Greater value is 670, sign is minus, so keep here minus. These are the mathematical rules you should know. Okay, this is important here. Now we will apply the formula. Already you have written the formula. What is A? We have assumed one value, that is our A value, correct? Which value we have assumed? 175 plus. What is summation FD? Summation FD we have calculated as minus 5. So I will keep this in bracket. Because it is a negative value, I will keep this in bracket, minus 5. This is divided by, what is N value? 500. And it is multiplied by C. C is nothing but difference in class interval. What is the difference in class interval? 50. First substitute the value like this. Now we will solve. Directly also you can solve. 0, 0 I get cancel. 5 ones are 5 tens are 50, right? This 0 cancel with this 0. Now the remaining is 175 plus minus becomes minus. Plus minus becomes minus 58. Therefore, X bar value is again rupees 170 only. Check. X bar value is again rupees 170. So by using direct method or shortcut method, you will get the same answer. But it depends upon the question. If they clearly mention you have to use shortcut method, you have to use shortcut method. I also know this is the lengthy procedure. Lengthy procedure, but calculator is not required for us. Have I used any calculator? No. You can easily solve orally. So it is called as shortcut method. I know formula is big enough than the direct method, but you can avoid the calculator over here. Okay? We will solve one more problem. Now, in next problem, we will not take this direct method. Directly we will go for shortcut method. Okay? Right here. Calculate arithmetic mean. Calculate arithmetic mean by using shortcut method. By using shortcut method. Make two columns now. Classes and frequencies. Classes and frequencies. Classes column 30 to 35, frequency 8. 35 to 40, 24. 40 to 45, 21. 45 to 50, 18. 50 to 55, 12. 55 to 60, 13. And 60 to 65, 4. This much information is given to you. Okay. Now this is continuous series and it is the exclusive method also, right? But we have to use only shortcut method. Only which method? Shortcut method. So write down the formula of shortcut method first. shortcut method, or this shortcut method is also known as deviation method. It is also known as deviation method. Okay. The formula is again x bar is equal to a plus summation fd divided by n into c. We will go as per the formula. Now what do you mean by n? N is nothing but total of frequency. Make the totals first. The total of frequency is 100. Total of frequency is 100. Okay. Now you know L value, that is 100. What do you mean by C? C is difference in class interval. Now there is the difference of how much in each class? There is a difference of 5. Right? Means you know these two values. You can easily find out these two values. Frequencies are already given, but we don't know A value and D value. Now to calculate D value, which column is required? X column is required. Because A value we have to assume from the X column only, right? For that purpose we have to calculate X value first. Now X is nothing but mid value between the classes. What is the mid value of 30 to 35? It is 30 plus 35 is 65. 65 divided by 2. It comes to 32.5. Don't neglect the pointer. 32.5. Okay. Now in this value, keep the same difference and write down the value. 32.5 and there is a perfect difference of 5. Okay. Go on adding 5 over here. 32.5 plus 5. 37.5. 42.5. 47.5. 52.5. 57.5 and 62.5. These are your X values. Like this you have to save the time. There are many shortcut methods. Okay. Now once you know X column, don't go for Fx because we are not using direct method. We are using shortcut method. Once you know X column, now we have to calculate D values. Here D is nothing but X minus A upon C. Just you have to write this formula. And use the shortcut method. Now as per this formula, A is nothing but assumed value. From which column? X column. From X column, assume any one value, first, last, middle, anything. I will prefer middle value for the calculation purpose. I will take 47.5 as my A value. Now, by using this A value, how to calculate the D value? I have told you the shortcut method, that is, whatever may be the A value you have assumed, for that always D value is 0. Then upper part is negative, like -1, -2, -3. Lower part of the 0 is positive, +1, +2 and +3. Don't change the values also. You will get the same answers. If you want to try by using calculator, you can try also. You will get the same values. Okay. Now once you know D, next column is F. That's it. Next column is F. FD is nothing but frequency values multiplied by D value. That is 8 into -3, -24. 24 into -2, -48. Sign is important. 21 into -1, -21. 18 into 0, 0. 12 into 1, 12. 13 into 2, 26. 4 into 3, 12. Okay. Make the total. This is your summation FD, which is equal to. Now in this FD column there are negative values and positive values. Make the separate totals. I think it is -93 and plus values are 0, 1. Plus value is 3. is minus 93 and plus 50. What is the difference in this? I think difference is 43. Plus or minus? Minus. Why it is minus? Because we have to use greater values side. Always we have to use greater values side. Okay. So it is minus 93 plus 50. The difference is minus 40. Columns are over. Go for the formula. What is the A value we have assumed? Here A value we have assumed as 17.5. Correct? Plus summation FD. Summation FD is negative value. I will keep this in bracket, that is minus 43. This is divided by n value is 100. This is multiplied by your difference in class interval is 5. Difference in class interval is 5. Okay, we will solve this. It is 20. 0 will cancel. I will put a point over here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Point. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 17.5 plus minus becomes minus 2.1. Check out 17.5 minus 2.15. Your answer is sorry. It is not 17. It is 47. No. Sorry, it is 47. We have assumed 47.5 as A value. Okay. So make the correction 47.5. So 47.5 minus 2.15. Answer is 45.35. Answer is 45.35. If you use direct method, you will get the same answer. Okay, you can try by using direct method, same problem you can try, you will get the same answer. Up to this is clear? Okay. Shall I give you one problem? Can you try? Okay, right. Calculate arithmetic mean. Calculate arithmetic mean by using shortcut method. By using shortcut method and direct method. Shortcut method and direct method. Make two columns, classes and frequencies. Classes column 0 to 10, frequency 5, 10 to 20, frequency 2, 20 to 30, 3, 30 to 40, 10, 40 to 50, 3, 50 to 60, 2, and 60 to 70 is 5. Okay, you try this problem. Okay, I'll stop the video over here.